Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got 2026 Kershaw to talk about today. This is the Duster. Now, before we get too deep into it, this is a prototypical Kershaw knife, at least what I would call. You could just open this knife, there could be no markings, you didn't see a box, and you would go, that's a Kershaw. Or it better be a Kershaw, because it looks just like one, for sure. So, what does the Duster give us? Well, okay, we're starting off. This is more budget Kershaw, for sure. Coming in at 45 bucks. That's what the Duster does. So we're starting out with, right here, you've got GFN handles. And, you know, I have kind of poo-pooed on GFN in the past. Now, this does not feel bad in hand. The way GFN gets done a lot of times, I really don't like the way it feels. This does not feel bad at all. As you can see there, you've got some sort of almost like bed liner type. I mean, obviously not that aggressive, but that's the kind of texturing you have going on the GFN. You've got that sort of jimped look to the back spacer. Fit and finish, it is pretty much what we come to expect from a Kershaw. Centering, pretty darn good. Deep carry clip, yeah, that's pretty deep carry. You will have just that tip maybe sticking out of your pocket. You do have a lanyard hole. You've got a reversible clip on the deep carry. Very nice. Of course, you've got Kershaw's Duralock, their version of the crossbar lock, and dual thumb studs. So, when I open this up, you're going to just, yeah, that's a Kershaw. I mean, yeah, that is a Kershaw. That is a Kershaw blade, if I've ever seen one. Nice belly going on. 8CR13, that's what you're going to get on the blade steel. Like I said, it is an internal design. You've got the marking right there that tells us that. Oops, there you go. There's the 8CR. Model number right there, 2059. Yep. KAI. And action. Very, very smooth. Very smooth. Now, I have always had a soft spot for Kershaw. Kershaw was probably the first brand that I really started buying. You know, where I bought multiples of the same brand. You know, back to, what was it? The Hot Wire. And just, there's so many. There's so many Kershaws out there. But I think the Hot Wire might have been the first one I bought. You know, it was like 10 bucks at Walmart. And I liked it. Was it the best knife out there? Absolutely not. It was a $10 knife. But I really liked the way it felt. I liked the blade shape. I started looking into Kershaw more. And, you know, I have not bought as many over the most recent years, but they were the first real brand that I started buying. So you've got some jimping going on your liners there. You do have a little bit of jimping on the blade where my hand falls kind of right in between those thumb studs. Yeah, I'm pretty much past the jimping, so the jimping doesn't do a whole lot for me. Got a decent stonewash going on that blade. Very nice. Overall, I mean, it's Kershaw. It's Kershaw quality. Even on the budget side, Kershaw does pretty darn good. So we're looking at just shy of 7 inches, probably 6 3/4. Roughly 3 3/4 on the handle, probably a little bit more. Blade's going to come in, yeah, just shy of 3 inches, almost a full cutting edge. You can see there's a little bit. And grip length, 3 1/8. So I'm probably going to have, yeah, it's about a 3.5 finger knife for me. I do have a little bit of overhang on that. So, get our size comparisons out of here. Let's see, we get the bug out. So definitely smaller than the bug out. Man, are we going to have to zoom out to get the PM2 on there? Yeah, a little bit. There you go. So PM2, much, much bigger. For sure. Excuse me. Starting grams. Ooh, 55. It's light. It is definitely light. Just shy of 2 ounces. 1.9. Dang. Again, like I said, it's pretty deep carry. Just a little bit of peekaboo. Just a tiny, tiny bit of peekaboo. Great retention on that clip. Absolutely. Clip is rigid enough. Keeps it in there. It's not going anywhere. So, this is my first look at any of the new line from Kershaw in 2026. And it in my opinion, it couldn't be any more prototypical Kershaw. I saw it and I was like, oh yeah, we got to check that one out. I know, like me, a lot of you, more budget minded, absolutely. Less than 50 bucks, 45. I mean, 8CR, can you find 8CR for less? Sure, you can, for sure. It's Kershaw. So you know that price is going to be a little bit more. Just the way it is. You know, Kershaw, you've heard me talk about Kershaw, CRKT. You just have. Again, I have a little bit of a soft spot for Kershaw. I don't talk poo-poo, as I say, them as much as I do CRKT, just because, you know, they were really the first brand that I started buying and enjoying and really kind of, probably really kind of kicked off my knife collecting, to be perfectly honest. So I can't say it enough. It's new. Does it look overly new? No. It looks like probably a couple other Kershaws out there. But hey, if it works, you know, if it's not broke, why try to fix it? And that's what I see with this one. Again, new Kershaw 2026, the Kershaw Duster, about as Kershaw knife as you're going to get, in my opinion. So, guys, thanks so much for swinging by, checking out the Duster with me today. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later, guys. Bye-bye.